welcome to my first ever YouTube video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a 5-minute makeup tutorial. So this is like just the makeup that I do when I'm trying to leave the house real quick, but I still want to look put together and like cute, and I want to film myself, but I don't want to spend too much time on my makeup because I gotta run out the house. So this is pretty much what I do on the daily basis when I have those, like when I can't do too much. I'm a college student, so a lot of times for college students, we're just trying to hurry up, get ready, because we gotta go. And this is definitely the makeup look that I always do, and it's so easy to follow. It's definitely beginner friendly. Please leave a like and comment down below if you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, I only have 30 minutes to do this. How exciting! So when I'm doing my makeup like really fast, first things first is eyebrows. I don't want to fill in my eyebrows. I'm really lazy. Like I don't want to sit there and just go over my eyebrows like no, I don't want to do that. So I use the Anastasia like I forgot what this is called, but it's this one, you know. Should I do it? Yeah. I hope I'm not too dark. Okay. So I just take this and I run this through my eyebrows. So I use this because my eyebrows are really thin, so it gives you a little bit of color, so your eyebrows can look alive and well, and it's not just disappearing into your face. Your eyebrows really frame your face, so it's very important to not neglect them. At least for me, because if I neglect my eyebrows, they look crazy. My eyebrows look really, like a disclaimer, my eyebrows look really bad because I haven't gotten them done, and I'm not going to get them done until I have to leave for school because I don't know, like I just don't want to get them done. I want them to grow out and then get them done, so that's why they look really bad. So just ignore that. Just ignore that. Thanks. Okay, and now for skin prep, I love this primer from Milani. This is my favorite primer ever because it has SPF. It has SPF 30 and it's very moisturizing, and it does help with your makeup longevity as well. I'm running out, so I'm only gonna put about that much. Usually I would put more, but oh, my light went out. Alright, I am back. I charged my battery for a little bit. It's probably gonna go out again, but maybe not. I don't know. Okay, so now for complexion. When I'm running out the door, I'm doing my 5-minute makeup routine. I don't want to wear foundation because it's just too heavy, it's too time consuming, and I just don't feel like doing all of that. So I usually just use a concealer that is the same skin tone or shade as my skin tone. So I just put this on my like redness or any places I want to conceal. So I'm just using this to conceal. They're fighting outside, don't mind that. Okay, now I'm gonna take this small brush. It's Makeup Shack T42 brush. This is my favorite brush ever. You could do so much with this. I'm just gonna tap that concealer in. Tap. And I prefer a brush over a beauty blender because beauty blenders tend to take away coverage, and I want all the goddamn coverage in the world. And as you can see, like that concealer really just like made my skin look a little bit better, you know. Oh, I could never live. I could never. Okay, I know the lighting's different. I apologize, but my lights keep going out, so now I'm just using one light instead of two, so that's why it looks different. But the show must go on. So basically I just put concealer all over my face and I blended it out, and now I'm going to put concealer underneath my eyes to hide my baggy eyes like this. Yeah, I don't like that, so we're going to hide them. And stick around and watch my technique for this because I use a powder that I really love, and I think other people will really like it too if you have creases underneath your eyes, because I have creases underneath my eyes and I've never found a powder that smooths them as much as this powder I'm about to show you guys. So for concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is my favorite concealer right now for underneath my eyes because it doesn't make my eyes and my under eyes look dry, and doesn't cling onto dry patches. I have dry skin, so yeah, I love that for me. Yeah. Okay, and I'm going to take this G2 brush, I think, from Morphe. I don't think Morphe actually makes this brush anymore, but they should. Because if they were to make this brush, bro, sell out. Everyone would want it because it's so good for blending out your under eyes. They would get out of bankruptcy if they actually brought back this brush. So Morphe, if you're watching this brush right here, bring it back, because it's no brush does what she does, like, except the Makeup Shack brush that I showed you guys before. That one's pretty similar. That one's good too, but this one's like more dense and compact, and I love this brush. It's so good. Okay, so now my under eyes look concealed, and now for the powder, you guys, this is the Pat McGrath Labs Blurring Skin Fetish powder. I love this powder. It's like, it blurs the under eyes so well, and I use this with the dry beauty blender. So I dip my beauty blender in it like this. Wow. Okay, like that. And then, like, just look at my under eyes, right? Especially this one. Let's look at this one, right? I'm gonna apply this powder underneath my eyes, and just look at how that crease right there, gone. Just wait. Do y'all see that? Like I don't know, this powder is like everything to me. Now that that's done, I am going to apply cream blush. I love cream blush. I don't do my makeup with that blush at all, not even a little bit. And the blush I'm going to use is the e.l.f. Putty Blush Primer. e.l.f. Putty Blush is this one. This one's in the shade Bora Bora, I think. This one is such a cute baby doll pink color, although I don't really like the formula. I'm not gonna lie, the formula is not the best in my opinion, because I feel like it doesn't show up, it doesn't have much pigment, so it's just not my favorite. But I love the color, so I'm gonna keep using it. I'm just using my finger to tap it in real quick, and then I'm gonna use a brush. Like, the color is really, really pretty. Like, look at that. It gives you such a soft baby doll, like Kylie Jenner pink. It's so pretty. Okay. Now I'm gonna use a brush as well. I'm really gonna pack this blush on as well. Okay. So now that that's done, I am going to apply powder all over my face. The powder that I'm going to be using is the No. 7 Lipton Illuminate. It's this one right here. I use the shade Medium, and I love this powder a lot because it just sets your face without looking cakey. Okay, now I'm going to apply powder blush on top of my cream blush. I'm going to be using the Milani Luminoso blush. This is my favorite blush ever. It's really, like, it just gives you a glow. Although I do wish it had more pigment, because in my skin tone it doesn't show up as much as I want it to, because I have dark skin. Well, not that dark, but, you know, I have some melanin. Okay. And, like, as you guys can see, like, blush really just gives your face like a little bit of color. It just makes you look alive, where if you just wouldn't wear blush, you kind of would just look flat. And, you know, sometimes you want to look more. Why are you here?
Do you hear?
No.
What is that? Oh. I hear it myself.
Okay, and now for my eyes, all I'm gonna do is curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. For mascara, I think I'm gonna use the Roller Lash by Benefit. You don't have to get this mascara, it's not amazing. Oh, there's a plane. Okay, so I applied mascara, and this is what it's looking like. For my lip product, I'm going to be using, I'm sorry. for my lip product, I'm going to be using the Milani Lifter Gloss. This is in the shade Amber. It's more like a peachy gloss. This is a pretty good gloss. It's not my favorite, but it's what I have right now because my favorite gloss is in my purse and I don't feel like getting it. Okay. Okay, so this is the final look. This is like pretty much my everyday makeup routine when I'm just trying to run out the house and I'm not trying to do too much. This is pretty much how it looks, and I love this makeup. It always looks so good no matter what. It's like foolproof, dummy proof, all that shit. It's so good, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is my first ever YouTube video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. And let me know if I did a good job. Let me know anything else that you guys want me to do, like any other content suggestions. I would love to know what else you guys have in mind, like any video ideas or anything. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great day.